Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Nice weather, sunny day. Let's work out. Full body as always. Try to do something useful and helpful for you. First, let's inhale a couple of times. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. One more. Awesome. Let's work. Let's start with our hips. Knees on the ground, arms on the ground. Let's rotate with our left hip outside first. We're gonna open towards the side and back. 10 times, nice and easy rotation. 1, keep your hips square. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep working. 8, 9, 10. And switch, right one. Here we go, 10 times. 1, nice and easy. 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back, release. Inhale first. Exhale. Let's activate our upper body. Plank position. Straight legs. Rotate your pelvis, engage your core, lower back. From here, we just open towards the side. 90 degrees, drive your elbow up and switch. Left one, same thing. Let's work. 10, 9, nice and easy. 8, 7, 6, breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good one. Release. Knees on the ground. Keep your elbows on the ground. Inhale first. Exhale. Next one, what we're gonna do, straight relax. We're gonna work only with our shoulders. Down facing dog, using our shoulders and arm and elbows on the ground. So you can drive your shoulders back and forward. Back and forward. Here we go, 10 times. Inhale. Exhale, keep working. And back. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold here 10 seconds. Drive your shoulders as backward as possible and keep holding. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Nice one. Relax. Inhale again deeply. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Good job. Then palms on the ground, straight legs, plank position. We're gonna do shoulder touch. 1, 2, 3. Nice one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Nice one. This was a nice warm up. Inhale again. Exhale. Many of you have lower back pain, knee pain, so take your time, do it slower and improve your body. Then up from here, like we were seated like this. Then I want you to start working on your lower back and legs. So activating our legs and lower back. Step forward, down, down. If you feel that you have knee pain, You can put something under, you can put some pillows, you can put something else. The most important here, keep your lower back straight. Move your hips backwards when you are doing this. We're gonna do 12 times. Here we go, let's work. Left leg forward, let's work. 1, 2, 3, 6 times, starting with left and then 6 times to right. 4, 5, 6, good, then right forward. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, keep working. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Adding 1, too much. Then right leg go in front of you. What I want you to do from here, toes on the ground. Then from here, I want you to drive your body forward, flexing your back leg, and then raising it off the ground, and then back on the floor. Forward, flex, and then back. We're gonna do 10 times, left, right. Inhale first. Right leg goes straight forward, 10 times. Let's work. 2, 3, keep your lower back straight. 4, awesome, let's work. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, and release. Switch side, left in front. First inhale deeply. Exhale. Same thing, drive forward, right leg strengthen, and then raise up and back. Let's work 10 times. 1, 2, keep your lower back straight. 3, 4, 5, let's work. 6, tension in your left leg. 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Nice one. Sit down then, open your legs wider, try to sit, relax your legs a little bit. Inhale first, exhale. One more, then exhale. Okay, next one. Working hips. Bend your left leg straight, your right leg towards the side, and just feel the tension in right side and hold a couple of seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, rotate your right leg. We are opening our left leg forward. Keep holding this shape. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back down. Rotate your right side, then switch. Left leg goes straight, and we hold here 10 seconds. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then same thing. Rotating the left leg straight. Keep your lower back straight, lengthening through the spine, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down, back. Then you bend your both hips here and just hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotation toward the right side. Legs reach the floor, and we hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, keep moving forward. Fold forward. Feel you're stretching the right side of your hip. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up, straight lower back. Place your arms on the ground and switch towards the left side. First drive in the middle, hold here. Then toward the left side. Here we go. And hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And fall forward. Hold here 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back slowly to the middle first. Open your knees towards the side. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your hips up. Open your legs, lengthening your knees. Feel your hamstrings. Keep holding here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then up. And we're gonna squat down. Nice and easy. 10 times. Up and 2. Go ahead. 3, 4. Keep moving. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's work 10 more. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And fall forward. Just relax. Feel that stretch in your legs and just enjoy a little bit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, rotate your right side. Bring your right palm on the ground. Left hip is rotated out. And we open our right arm up. Hold this shape. Triangle pose. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then again, back to the middle, switch side. Then rotate your left leg, sorry. Drive your left palm on the ground, open your right one. And hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Again in the middle. Hold here, just enjoy, feel your stretch in your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then again, rotate your right leg and left both right now. Lengthening forward. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You need to feel your hamstrings, all your hamstrings. Okay, rotate to another side. And hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Back to the middle. Lower your hips, keep your knees open, and just hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep pushing the knees out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Nice one. Drop your knees on the ground. Then from here, what we're gonna do is just lengthening a little bit and stretching our butt. Left leg goes straight back. From here, you drive it towards the right side, and then your right leg drives back as possible. You need to feel the right side now. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. What we have here, something painful. Keep moving. Switch. Left one. Right, go back. Drive towards the side and backwards as much as you can. You need to feel your left glute right now. Awesome. 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Nice one. Relax. Let's inhale first. One more. Let's lie down. Let's activate our lower back. Place your arms in front of you. Bend your left leg, sorry, and just push up 10 times. 1, as high as possible. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you switch. Right leg and up. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3, higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Then you place your elbows on the ground, raise your thoracic spine from the floor. Put your left leg towards the side. And then we're going to raise your left leg, bend it how it is, up. This is very helpful exercise for your lower back. Let's work 10 times. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And switch. Right leg, same thing. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And back. Awesome. Let's finish with down facing dog. Palms on the ground. Let's stretch, feel your hamstrings, stretch lengthening more and more. Feel your chest, feel your upper body, everything. Try to feel that good stretch in your spine. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you bend your left knee, drive your hips towards the left side, feel the stretch in your right upper body, right side of your upper body, and then switch. You bend your right knee and then you drive your hips towards the right side, and you feel the left side right now. Vice versa. Very good stretch. Last one towards the right and last one towards the left. That's it. Nice one. It was a nice and easy workout. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, hope you find it useful for you. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace.